Baho?
Okay, ready mo forward. I want you to meet Mr. T. Forward na lang tayo. Okay, Mr. T has some visitors.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to Virtual Read. Hello there.
Can I talk to him? We can ask questions.
Hello, anong pangalan?
My name is Mr. T. How are you doing today?
Wala na. Okay
Wala
lang.
na. Masaya ba field trip?
Wala.
Okay, so, alam niyo ba kung anong klaseng isda ako?
Oo. No.
Isa akong Titan fish. At nakatira ako sa Verde Island. Ang Verde Island ay natagpuan
Yeah, right.
in between Southern Batangas at Northern Mindoro. At tinatawag yun ng mga marine biologists na Center of Marine Life Biodiversity. Ibig sabihin, doon yung matagpuan ng iba't ibang klase ng isda at mga sea creatures. And it is one of the famous dive spots here in the Philippines para sa mga divers. So, do you know exactly how my house looks like?
Oo. Hindi. No. Hindi.
Pangalan ko
Medyo.
ay Mr. P. And houses of fishes are known as coral reefs. Coral reefs are also the main front line of the defense. Pinoprotektahan nila kami laban sa mga destruction. So do you know that most of my fish friends lost their homes because of human destruction?
Oo.
So anyone here knows other ways on how our houses get destroyed?
By flood. Earthquake. Because of Moroami.
Yes, very good. Marami.
Cyanide fishing.
Cyanide.
Dynamite.
Very good dynamite fishing.
Bakit? Nakatira ba tayo sa water?
At dagdag pa doon, ang water pollution, yung pagkatapon ng basura. So, di ba?
Yes!
We do our part in saving marine life in simple ways like by disposing your garbage properly. Okay?
Okay, no problem.
So, thank you very much and have a nice day.
Okay,